So first select any surface, create a surface. It will become fast. Okay, then so I'll take a surface. This is size, show grid off. So select this and say emit from object, then change the emitter type to surface. Okay, so that we'll be getting something like falling of the drops. They are just going up. What I have to do, just apply gravity to this. Just select your particle, feels gravity. So next they will fall down, like rain. So I want to create like raindrops. So I'll just go to my attributes here, because I know in particle shape I have something like streaks. I can say streak and just increase that so that I can get like a drop. I want to increase the size of your, just select this, move it a little bit up. So there goes our rain, and it's just penetrating out. So I'll see the particle should die on the hit. On the hit means lifespan I have to give like something like, I'll see like constant value, I'll say something like 2 if it is possible. If I give, no, they are not hitting, so let me give 3 so that they just touch and die. Okay, now they are touching and dying, that's enough. 3. So then collision events I want to create, means whenever this drop touches my surface I have to create a new drops there. Select your particle and go to particle collision events. Open this, a big dialog box will be opening. Okay, then say create new event. I'm creating a new event. So you want to emit the particles or the split the particles, means emit means new particles are emitted, split means the same particle will be split into pieces. So first I'll go for emit. How many emissions, how many particles should be emitted from there? So let me go for 2 or 3 minimum. They should spread, yes, they have to spread. Then say create event, that's all, close. Now you replay this. Whenever the drop hits, sorry, because they have to collide, there is no collision between these two particles. So select this and say particle may collide. So automatically now if you see on hit the particles are emitted, but they are once again going back because no gravity and all those things. Just select that particles and give gravity to them. Because why, tell me? The geo connector, just go for geo connector, decrease to something like 0.1, very less. Now if you see, they'll just drop like raindrops.
So it's falling down, sir.
Well, some particles will penetrate, it's not a problem because surface problem, but majorly what you see is this, down parts we don't render also. Once again, it depends on your computer calculation and hardware. If your hardware is too good, that penetration will never happen, because little bit slow system, it is penetrating because it can't calculate each point, that's all. So like that you can create collision events also. Same thing you can do, like what happens whenever there is a collision event, it will create a new particle system, that's all. If I delete that, the collision event is gone. Now I'll go for split. Do the same thing, go to particle collision event, I'll say new event, split now, with same attributes, spread and everything, and say create event, close. So whenever it hits, this is a little bit different in not inverting the velocity because the settings were like that. So what I have to do is just go back, delete the particles, once again select the particles, go back to your particle collision events, say new event. This invert velocity is important, means get some velocity, move and split and say create event. Now even they will behave like, okay, they will also come. Then you can select and feels gravity further. So automatically whenever the object hits, they are totally going down. Too much of this. Splitting, that's why the initial problem. So it is penetrating and splitting here, that's the problem. So whenever you can use emit better to use emit split rare conditions. Okay, like that you can create collision events also.